Okay, so today we will continue on with our graphing. Specifically, we are going to be graphing equations. So this could be additive or multiplicative equations today. Okay, so we did one on Friday and we did the other on Monday. So today it could be both. Okay, the process is still the same. It doesn't matter if it's adding or multiplying. So let's go ahead and do a couple of problems together. So first we have this graph, okay? They're giving me the table, they're giving me my x values, and they're giving me my rule. So this is going to be an x plus 2. They're also giving me a graph that's already done, so I don't even have to do all that, okay? So really what I need to do is I need to complete the table with my ordered pairs and then put them on the graph. Okay, so remember it's x plus 2. So whatever is in the x column, I add 2, and that gives me my y. Okay, if it helps you, you can write it out like this. So my rule is plus 2. Well, 1 plus 2 is 3. That means my first ordered pair is 1, 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. So my first ordered pair is my second ordered pair is 4, 6. 8 plus 2 is 10, so this ordered pair is 8, 10. Okay, remember x is over, y is up. So I need to go over 1, up 3. Over 4, up 6. Over 8, and up 10. Okay, and if I were to continue my continue my line into a straight line, that trend is increasing, okay, because it's adding, so it's going to be increasing. And there are a few points that if I were to look and see where those axes meet, I could see some other points that would be on that graph. Okay, looking at our next problem. Okay, so they're telling us over here the context of the problem. So it says a certain orange drink calls for 2 cans of water for every 1 can of orange concentrate. So they're telling us, giving us a context. They're saying that the x, so down here I can see on the graph, x is the amount of cans of orange concentrate, and then y is the number of cans of water. So like if you go get one of those frozen orange juices from the grocery store that's in the frozen section, if you put one of the frozen cans in for your mix, you have to put 2 cups of water. Okay, so they're really giving us a context there. Okay, so again, we're going to do like the last one. They're giving us the equation. Okay, so they're telling us that I need to multiply 2 times x to get my y. Well, I can see that 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 2 is 6, so that is true. Okay, so remember my xy coordinates get put into an ordered pair. So this is 1, 2, 2, 4, and 3, 6. Okay, I go over and then up. So 1, 2, 2, 4, and 3, 6. And if I continue on, I can see that my next point should be there, and right there, if I had drawn an actual straight line, you could see that. And as usual, because we're multiplying, my trend is increasing. And the last one on this video, okay? So they want you to write the equation. So you need to find this equation, okay? It says Kobe is 2 years older than Jamal. So Kobe's age equals Jamal's age plus what? Well, it says it right there, plus 2. Okay, so our equation is y equals x plus 2. Okay, And if I didn't know that from up here, I could go down here and I could use my knowledge of that magic box we've been talking about. Okay, so this first one, a 1 goes in and a 3 comes out. So my options there are +2, because 1 + 2 is 3, or ×3, because 1 times 2 is 3. Okay, and then remember you have to look at the next row. So a 2 goes in and a 4 comes out. So you have to look at these two choices. So is 2 + 2 4? It is. Is 2 times 3 4? It is not. Okay, so this right here proves that the rule is +2. Okay, so if this was confusing, this piece up here was confusing to you, that's okay. You can still find the rule using the table. Okay, so then we need to complete the table. So what's 3 + 2? It's 5. So this would be 3, 5. 7 + 2 is 9. So this ordered pair would be 7, 9. Okay, and now that I have my table, I put it over here in my graph that's conveniently already made for me. So 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, and 7, 9. Okay, so if I continue my line there, again, my trend is increasing because I'm multiplying. And then there would be some other points right here, and right here that would be on the line. Okay, so they could potentially ask me questions later about those points that are missing and ask me what those points are. Okay,